Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making a delicious treat, one of my favorites, OREOS ice cream. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. We'll be needing the following ingredients: heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, vanilla essence, and my favorite, Oreos biscuit. So as always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box below, so do well to check it out with its right measurement. We start off by prepping our mixing bowl by putting it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes for it to cool a bit, and then all your ingredients too should be in the fridge except the vanilla essence and Oreos. And then we'll pour in our whipping cream, whisk it or whip it until it's all fluffy. You can use a hand mixer, stand mixer. If you don't have any of this, you can use an egg whisk. You whisk until it's all fluffy. All fluffy like so. So this is the consistency that we are going for, and then we'll throw in our condensed milk. After pouring in our condensed milk, we'll add our vanilla essence and our Oreos, and then we'll stir everything together. At this point, you can either use vanilla beans or you use vanilla essence. Here we use 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, but if you are looking to make vanilla ice cream without Oreos, then you can use 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, or you use vanilla beans as well, and then you omit the Oreos. You stir everything together, throw it into your freezer, and you have vanilla ice cream. You see why you are supposed to subscribe to this channel, because here we tell you everything. We don't hide anything from you bab. So we crushed about 6 OREO cookies, and then we added it to our ice cream, and we are stirring everything together now until it's well incorporated like so, and then we would pour it into a bowl and throw it into the freezer. So while prepping our ice cream, the bowl in which we are going to pour the ice cream was in the freezer. So now that we are done, we just took it out of the freezer and poured our ice cream into it. The reason being that we don't want to pour cold ingredients into a lukewarm bowl or something so that it gets our ice cream runny. So we put it in a bowl that is from the freezer so that it keeps the consistency for us. And then once you are done, you just level up the top, and then we'll put some Oreos at the top to garnish it. I mean, presentation, no dear. You all know that this channel will teach you how to make your food look presentable. So in case you're about to have a party and you decide to make this ice cream, when you bring it out of the freezer, everybody will know, ibab. So either you put it in an airtight container and cover it, or you can put it in a bowl like this, and then you cover it with a cling film, and then you throw it into the freezer for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, we took ours from the freezer, and this is how it looks. Look at how yummy this then looks. Just look at the consistency. I'm sure your favorite ice cream joint could have never. You now, I know you didn't know ice cream was this easy to make. And I've taught you how to make this yummy ice cream, and you haven't subscribed to this channel. What are you waiting for? Do you think God will be happy with you? Please subscribe, okay? And if you have subscribed already, do well to like, share with your friends and family, even your loved ones, and leave me a comment, okay? I love hearing from you, and let me know if you try this at home. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.